We're starting inside because we've got a little bit of a rainy day here at 17 Copper Drive in Enfield, Connecticut. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. I love the way this place looks.
Great property.
All right, so I guess you start. You know how it works. Show us around.
All right, come on. Starting with this dining room with built-ins and hardwood floors.
And the kitchen here with black countertops. Looks like a newer flooring and all white cabinets. This is really updated.
Yeah, and check out this lighting.
All right, so we're gonna go around the corner. We have, what, a half bath?
Updated half bath, and we wrap right back around the corner to the really large front to back living room.
Oh, I love the wood-burning fireplace.
And then these French doors lead out to a great covered porch to overlook your yard. It's one of my favorite things about this house. Check out this really great yard.
I love my drive-in, too, into this neighborhood.
Great.
It's really just a great location. Great, all right, you wanna take us upstairs?
Yeah, come on. There's 4 bedrooms, all really great size.
And we have a 2-car garage here as well.
The basement, it is partially finished for additional expansion space and a fully updated bath. Check out the tile work in here.
Wow, Enfield, you did not disappoint today. This is a great new listing, Steph. Thanks for showing us around. If you're interested in taking a look at this property yourself, hit Steph up. If you want some financing options, I'm here as well. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. Thanks, Enfield. We're out of here.